Here's the problem. Fam, you're doing it all by yourself. Your business is not growing the way that you want it to because you're doing it alone. Your social media platform is experiencing difficulty in growth because you're doing it by yourself. Some folk, they love life, is experiencing difficulty because they're doing it by themselves. Yeah, I went there. This is how to love, respectfully. Moses made that same mistake. He did. He sure did. He was doing it all by himself. He was making judgments for the nation of Israel from the morning to the evening, all by himself. Jethro, his father-in-law, he seen this. He looked over at Moshe, shaking his head, I imagine, called over Moshe, which is Moses in Hebrew, Moshe. He called over Moshe and said, Moshe, let me holler at you. Let me put you on some game, youngster. Now, I don't know if he said that. That's what I imagine. That's what he said, or that's what he thought. Anyways, he gave Moses counseling. He gave Moses advice. He said to Moses, this is not good. Instead of doing it all by yourself, delegate. He told Moses to install leaders. He told Moses to empower others by placing them in positions of power. Oh, yes, he did. He told Moses, don't worry about the small matters. Do not handle the small matters. Delegate the small things. You focus on the big things, on the big matters. Guess what, fam? Moses heard the advice and he applied the advice. He put his pride to the side. Moses had pride? Yes, he did. We all have pride. But let's make sure that we are on top of pride, that we put pride in check. If not, it will enslave us. Moses was doing it all by himself. But through the advice of his father-in-law, Jethro, who was empowered by the Most High to give wise counseling to Moses, Moses delegated. Guess what? That message is for you. It's time to share. To share, to delegate, and to empower. It's time to stop doing it all by yourself. I know what it is to be a solopreneur. I know how it feels. I'm with you, fam. However, you will experience the exponential growth that you desire when you follow the advice of Jethro. Delegate, make leaders. And when you delegate, don't just choose any old body. Look, I know it's hard to trust people, especially these days. A lot of people be tripping. Select people that are qualified. Select those that are qualified to build your business, your brand, your social media. It's time to collab on your social media. Collab with other content creators. In business, collab with other businesses. I know it's going to cost a little bit of money. I know. Remove fear. What you mean by fear? The fear of trusting others. We have to let go of fear. We have to conquer fear and empower others by collabing with others, by sharing with others. I hate cliches, family, but I'm going to say one. You know the saying. Dream work, make a team work. Now I said it backwards. Teamwork, make a dream work. There we go. Teamwork, make a dream work. As much as I hate cliches, family, it's true. It's facts. You will experience the exponential growth that you desire when you delegate, when you collab, when you install leaders. Oh, yes, you will. Stop doing it all by yourself. Build a team. Have a team around you. Share the work, share the load. Remove the fear of trusting others to get the task done. Remove the pride of making it all about you. I can imagine Moses, he liked the attention. He liked making all the judgments for Israel because the limelight was on him. This is what I imagine. We have to share that limelight with others. We have to put on others and connect with others. As much as Moses, I imagine, enjoyed the spotlight, what he did not enjoy was being tired. Imagine, fam, all those judgments that he had to make, from small matters to medium matters to big matters. These are complicated cases that he had to make judgments on. I imagined he was exhausted. And his father-in-law, he seen that. And through the Most High Yah, gave him wise counsel. That's right. Doing it all by yourself will make you tired. Doing it all by yourself will result in minimum growth. And minimal growth, fam. Doing it all by yourself, you're only going to be able to add. Connecting with others, delegating and collabing with others, your growth will multiply. That's math. Moses had wise counseling around him. That's important. Not only as solopreneurs, we like to do it all by ourselves, but we do not want to hear wise counseling. Just remove that, fam. Remove that. Make sure that the people around you, they're real ones. Make sure that you got no squares in your circle. That's right, I said it. No squares in your circle. Real ones. Moses had wise counseling around him. Jethro was a mentor. Listen to wise advice. Have a mentor in your circle. I have mentors, and I strongly encourage that you have mentors. You have elders. You have those who can guide you and give you experience and give you the game. The 7 people you hang around, that's you. The 7 people I hang around, that's me. Family, let's get rid of the independent mindset. Oh, I can't stand hearing that. Oh, I'm independent. As you hear from some of these sisters. Not all, but some of them. And some of these brothers got the same mindset. You don't hear them say it, but they think they got it going on because they out here not being men, but acting like boys. By impregnating women and not taking care of their children, being deadbeat fathers. Oh yeah, you got some independent men. You got independent women, independent men within our community, the black community. And that mindset, the independent mindset, is against the ways of our Creator. Forget independence. Let's be dependent on Yah and dependent on each other. I'm dependent. I'm not an independent man. If you are a player, aka independent man, repent. If you are a playette, an independent woman, repent. We need each other. Let's apply the wisdom. Let's seek our Creator. Let's hear the word and let's be about that action. That's right, fam. You got this. You will experience the blessings that you have been hoping for. Start by delegating. That's right, fam. It's not all about you. It's not all about me. It's about being a blessing to others. Repeat after me. I will bless others. I will bless people. I will bless my family. All glory, all praises, all honor to our great King, Yah. You got this, fam. When this video ends, start building your empire, your social media platform, your business, your relationships by connecting with others. It's time to share. It's time to delegate. It's time to empower. Let's stop being a ball hog. Let's stop making it all about us. Let's serve our great King. Let's serve our family. And let's serve people. It's time to delegate, connect, and collab, and make leaders. I love you, fam. All glory to our great King.